The logical operators are applicable in cases where we want to apply several conditions or a number of conditions. In this case, let's use the where clause to get students in class is equals, let's say we want a student from class 3 or student who their mark was more than 85. This should be more than 85. We have two conditions. The first is that the student is in class 5 or their mark was more than 85, and we run this. Let's see, let's beautify the under shoot. There we go. We have students, their class, they are from class 3. We have an error here. It should be 3 with a capital T and 3 like that. Then let's see, we have students from class 3 and those who scored more than 85 marks. This means that the student is either from class 3 or their mark was above 85 marks. In some cases, we might want the query to meet the two conditions. In this case, we use the add operator. Let's see, the student should be from class 3 and their mark should be more than 85. Let's see how many students scored that. And let's see again, it should run perfectly. We don't have any student in this case because no student was in class 3 got above that. Let's see, let's work with 70 and see if we got any student. We have marks and we have two students. We can work with, let's say, students who are that is gender is male and their mark was above 70. Let's see how many we have. Many of them. Let's read this down to 85 and see how many students we got 85 who are male. Let's now see how many female students got the same mark. And there we go. Actually, there are more female students who got 85 and above. That's it for AND and OR. Note that AND is used for combining those conditions. That is, the condition, both conditions should be met, and OR is in cases where only one condition is met.